got quiet. Gotta pause. We aren't even supposed to get the bad stuff for hours yet. Beyond the porch, it's all white. The garage, you can't even see. This is the view from Aaron's window. Just white. And this is sheltered from the worst of it. We're going to do a little spin on chicken and rice. I'm going to sear this chicken down. I'm cooking up the rice to put in the casserole dish. We'll put in a little frozen green beans, little Mexican corn. After we go ahead and saute up the sweet onions and the garlic. And top it all with a little cream of mushroom while it's doing what it's doing outside. You know, I think we call this blizzard comfort food. I've done the chili, I've done the soup, I'm kind of running out of options. So you get a little snow action, wind action. Every time I turn this thing on, it kind of dies down. Amazing how this does. And the drifts keep building. I've got the chicken almost done, not fully because I've got to bake it and I don't want to make it tough or dry, chicken breast. I've got the onions cooking down. We've got the garlic ready. And we'll make a nice little savory sauce. Like, you need to see more of this. And it keeps coming in gusts, and it's not even supposed to be bad yet. But I have the chicken sauteed, not totally done. The onions, the garlic. I am kind of sauteing down the rice to give it a little color. We do have one of my favorite casserole dishes all at the ready. And then we're going to add everything in, load it up in the casserole dish, and stick it in the oven. Here we go out in the dark. I know, I'm stupid. I didn't latch it this time. The wind has pulled it. Yes, we have. Ooh, drifts. More drifts. Oh! Don't fall off the step. I don't know if you can see this. And I'll try not to use bad language. Maybe you can see these winds. Ooh. This is actually what it's doing here. Thank you, God, for power.